Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on iPad Pro 11. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, then select this application and click on this button. Now you can click open. And now click skip introduction, and here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now again. Now you can confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.